Going to E.
That's where I'm going.
Oh god, fuck, I was looking at the mini-map, watching you drive that fucking ATV, and I died.
Don't worry, I got him.
I'm the last man in the squad.
Womp, womp, womp,
No
womp,
beard,
womp,
you
womp,
should
womp.
spawn on me,
I did spawn on
and
you.
we will take that team together. We'll take the white man, and we will take the poo-poo, and we will make them eat it. Make them eat their own poo-poo. How did that man, that evil man, kill me? Oh, revive, bitch! The white man will eat his own poo-poo.
You asshole! That was just to kill me. I know. Ow!
What? What?
What? Jesus
Where did you
harassing me.
Where did you go? You disappeared. Where's your body?
I'm so confused.
Did you fall through the map?
Potentially.
I think you did.
Very.
No probs. Here's some health.
Cross.
Oh god. Oh, there's so many.
Oh, that claymore!
Yeah. Oh fuck.
Our precious spree.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, no! No! It's...
It spawned you off the map.
it spawned me off the map!
Yo, Keith, have some help.
Jesus, Maggie, calm down. Killing everybody right now. Killing everybody right now.
Oh, that's.
I got that on Shadow Play.